So your question is, why did Lord Chaitanya not relegate this to external and accepted it as a valid means to reach the goal of life? Because the question Lord Chaitanya asked Ramananda Roy is, what is the goal of human life, and what is the means to attain the goal of life? How to attain it? So he said many things: karma samarpanam, karma sannyas yoga, and many things he said. Lord Chaitanya said they're bhaya, they're external. And then he started saying, this is okay, but speak a little deeper, go a little further. Age means go further. We're at a good place, but go a little fast forward, go a little further. So you're saying, why did Lord Chaitanya not reject this? Because in this verse, these lines that you mentioned are fully applicable to the path of Raganuga Bhakti. Each word of this verse, each word of these two lines, stane stitam, shrutigatam. So this verse says, you come, because we say the same thing, Rupa Goswami Pad says, and all the Rasik Jans say, go to a lila stali, stitam, go and fix yourself in a lila stali, a pastime place of Radha and Krishna, like Nidhiban. Nidhiban is live in Nidhiban, or nearby Nidhiban, outside, across the street, live near Sevakunj, live near Deer Samir, live near Dwarasaditya Tila, live near Kaliya Daha, live near Yamuna Pulina, live near Leela Stali, live in Radhakund, live in Barsana, live in Gavravan, you understand? And then what do you do when you're there? You hear Rasakata. Stane stitam, shruti. It says you hear shruti. Shruti?
Gatam.
You hear Rasakata while living, you hear Rasakata, topics about Radha and Krishna, by living in a pastime place of Radha and Krishna Leela, then you'll attain the gati. You'll go forward, right? To Goloka Vrindavan. And it's Nitya Seva, eternal Seva, Radha and Krishna. The next line.
Tanuvan Manobhir.
Yeah. With your body, Tan, Mano, Bir, with your body, Tanu, and your man, with your body and your mind, Bir, your strength, your power, your words, everything you should submit to that holy place and submit to this Leela Kata and this Rasa Kata, Radha Krishna Kata, and you'll attain Prem Siddhi.